Hello viewer, welcome to the HKR Trainings YouTube channel. Today, we have come up with another interesting video. What is Splunk? With the growing technology, there is an exponential growth in machine-generated data in the last few years. In the IT infrastructure, machine data plays a key role, and it contains the most valuable information. But it is quite challenging to understand the machine-generated data, because it includes the log data. Here comes the role of Splunk software. Splunk helps to convert this valuable machine-generated data into robust intelligence and makes it easy to understand through charts, graphs, and reports. In this video, you will learn about Splunk in depth. So, let us understand the agenda of this video. What is Splunk? Benefits of Splunk. Career opportunities in Splunk. But before we begin the topic, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's get started with what is Splunk? Splunk is a software that helps to monitor, search, analyze, and visualize system-generated data in real time, and it is collected from different sources. Moreover, Splunk comes as a handy tool when machine-generated data is difficult to understand, when data is in an unstructured format, and it is not ideal for making data analysis. Splunk can easily store and process big data, available across the organization. Further, it can identify patterns, diagnose issues, and provides the ability to execute business activities efficiently. Benefits of Splunk. Splunk software offers enormous benefits to business enterprises. Let us check these benefits. Highly scalable. Splunk is a highly scalable and easy to implement software. It can consume large amounts of data and process it very quickly. Easy to implement and use. Splunk is an easy to implement software platform that helps to manage big data. Build custom dashboards. With Splunk, it is easy to build many custom dashboards and visualize the data. It makes it easier to find the latest trends and patterns of data. Monitor system performance. Splunk allows you to monitor system performance easily. Using Splunk APM, the Advanced Application Performance Monitoring solution, you can easily monitor and troubleshoot issues, and optimize cloud application performance. Create analytical reports. Splunk provides interactive graphs, charts, and tables to build analytical reports. Moreover, it comes with many inbuilt plugins and customizations that help to build reports easily. Career opportunities in Splunk. Splunk software has great demand in IT and other industries. The demand for Splunk professionals can see sharp growth in the upcoming days. There are multiple career opportunities available for aspirants with Splunk knowledge. It includes system engineer, Splunk developers, solutions architect, and many more. The average annual salary of a Splunk professional stands between Rs 4 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to our HKR Trainings YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our following videos. Also, follow us on social media platforms for the latest updates, blogs, and videos. If you want to develop skills in Splunk software, visit www.hkrtrainings.com and advance your career.